Hey guys, so today I have got a witch casket box to show you. Now this is the February Valentine's box. It did actually only just arrive recently, which I feel like is a little later than usual, but that's fair enough. Now I do actually have a cold, so if this video seems really choppy, it's because I've sneezed and coughed loads and then had to cut it out, so I apologise in advance for that if that happens. But let's just get into this and show you what is in here. So for anyone that's not seen me open one of these boxes before, it's £27 to the UK. They do post worldwide, but it's all different prices depending on where you are. I've heard before that it's about $40, $45 to America, something like that. But like I said, totally depends where you're from, so I can't really say for every country, but I know that it's 27 to the UK. So this month's kind of theme is a Valentine's one, like I said, and it's got this kind of like Mean Girls vibe to it. It's all very pink and cute, and it's actually definitely one of my favourite themes that they've done in a while. So we're just going to kind of ignore this and I'll show you what is in the box. So the first thing we have is a print, like always. This one is a pink crystal. Obviously it looks kind of like a rose quartz with some lavender and stuff, and it's by Tea Cake Art, which they always are. So that's our first little thing. Next we have our spell for the month, and this one is Self-Love Bath Ritual, and it says it contains everything you need to envelop yourself in loving magic. So I actually don't have a working bath. It comes out really cold, so I never really get to have proper baths, but I'm sure it's very cute. So let's have a look what is in this kit. I'll try and not destroy the bag too much in case I end up putting this on like Depop or something. A lot of the things that I don't use I do sell on Depop, so just in case anyone is wondering. Okay. So in here we have lemon balm, dried rose petals, a bath pouch and some rose quartz crystals. So I'm not going to read out how you do the spell, but I will just hold it up here for a second in case anyone wants to pause the video and like jot that down or read it or whatever. So this is our little bath pouch, which kind of looks like a tea bag, not gonna lie. It's like a weird material sort of stuff. I guess it really would act like a tea bag. Then we have some little chips of rose quartz in here. We have our rose petals, which are quite a bright pink, very pretty, and then we have the lemon balm. So that is everything in that little bath ritual kit. Next we have our tea for the month, which is rose kongu tea. I'm not sure how you say that. It says it's layered 5 times with rose petals, which give the tea a delicate rose character. So that is our little tea. Then we have our crystal for the month. Again, always get a crystal or a stone. I guess this one is kind of more of a stone. Looks to be black and pink through this. I've not actually got this out and looked yet. So, oh, I'm dropping it everywhere. This is what it looks like. It's definitely very unusual. It's like a baby pink with blacks and browns running through it. Not sure why, but it gives me like cherry blossom trees. Is that a weird thing to say? I don't know, it's pretty though. So this is, I'm going to absolutely butcher this, but a rhodonite? The stone of compassion anyway. Helps you to leave behind emotional baggage and to heal from past experiences. It's believed to help with emotional trauma or shock. A grounding and balancing stone. It promotes love and healing, and it's also thought to increase fertility, apparently. So that's our little stone. Next we have our pin. Again, you always get a pin. This one says Self-Love Club, and it's kind of like, it like reminds me of a button kind of badge, but it is a metal pin though. Again, has definitely got some Mean Girls vibes going on there with a little pentacle. So that's super cute. Then we have this, which is a pendulum. So we did actually receive one of these before, but it definitely wasn't like as big as this and stuff. Again going to assume that this is a rose quartz one. It might tell me in a minute, but I've not read it yet. Or it's some kind of quartz. Anyway, it's a very, very, very pale pink. It's coming up a bit white on camera, but it's definitely quite pink. So, let's see. It doesn't say on here if it's a rose quartz. Does it say in here? Rose quartz. Yeah, it is rose quartz. Okay, so it says, hold the chain between your thumb and your forefinger, hand to the centre of the pendulum cloth. Which is also in here, which I didn't realise, so I'll show you that in a second. Rest with the bottom tip of the pendulum in your upturned palm to steady it. Move your palm away, and if the pendulum moves, let it settle and be still. Then you can ask the questions and see which answer on the board the pendulum swings towards. While some people try to communicate with the spirit realm using a pendulum, this is something we strongly advise against. I kind of like that it says that at the bottom of this. I get quite a lot of, I wouldn't necessarily say hate on these videos, but I get quite a lot of people saying if I don't practice, it shouldn't be something that I get the box, because like messing with spells and stuff can go badly. So I think putting on the bottom, you know, trying to communicate with other realms isn't advised. So this is the cute little card anyway. I even like the cards and stuff in this box. They're really cute. Like I said, definitely my favourite theme, this theme. So, this is the rose quartz pendulum anyway. Like I said, it's quite big. It does have quite a blunt end, which is nice because some of them are quite sharp. Then it's got your metal chain, and then right on the top it has like a little kind of bead thing to hold. So it also comes with this board, which I didn't realise. So let's open this. Okay, so this is our little like, what did they call it before in this thing? Pendulum cloth. Okay, so this is our pendulum cloth. It says yes, maybe, perhaps, and no around it. So obviously you would lay this flat on the floor, hold this at the top here, like make it stay still in your palm, and then let go, ask a question and see which way it swings, kind of towards which answer. So that's really cute, definitely like that. Then next we have these, which is a self-love deck. So it's a deck of cards. They're kind of like affirmation cards. One side on them says witch casket, and then the other side has this like nice little phrases kind of thing. So this one says, spread your beautiful kindness everywhere. This one says, there is true beauty in authenticity, always be true to who you are. Your gentle kindness is your strength, not your weakness. Not fear nor anything else will stop you. The power of your will can bring magical chance. Hold your head up high and be proud of who you are. There's loads and loads and loads of them anyway. I'm not going to read all of them out because I feel like that would bore people, but very, very cute little deck anyway. Like I said, sort of affirmation cards and stuff, positive quotes. Then we have this, which says on it, Feminine Statue Crystal Display by Summer Isle, I think that says. So it's in this really cute, like, baby pink velvety pouch. I haven't seen this yet. I've opened the box and seen, like, the theme and stuff, but I've not opened any of these bags or anything. So, I'm not really sure what a feminine statue crystal display is, but we're going to see now. Okay. She's kind of cute, I guess. Like a little bronze statue. This is a very... what can I say? This is a very kind of different item for Witch Casket, I feel like. Not really something that we get a lot of in this box, but I do think it's super cute though. So this is our little feminine lady, and it says it's crystal display, so I'm assuming you place the crystal on here. Where's the one that we got earlier? I'm gonna see how it works with our crystal from before, or our stone from before. Oh, this is hard when it's not placed on something flat. Oh, that's really cute actually. She's like kind of holding it there. Like I said, it's on my hand, not on a flat surface, so it's kind of hard to show, but oh, I like that. It's really cute. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I like that she holds a little crystal. How cute is that? Okay, so that is that anyway. Then we have some ritual candles. These ones are obviously pink, and they are for self-love, relationships and romance. I will open these and show you. I always really like these candles we get from Witch Casket because they are like a really nice tapered kind of one, if that makes sense. Sometimes you get them and they're all the same thickness and they look just really cheap, and I don't know, they're just not cute. But these ones are always really nice. I don't know if it's my eyes with this light or not, but they look a little shimmery to me. It's probably just my eyes though, but these are our two candles anyway. At the minute I actually have ones from an old box on like a candle thing on my windowsill, so I might change them to these because they're blue and that doesn't really go with the theme of my room, so I might change them to these cute little pink ones. Then we have some incense sticks. You always get incense sticks, and these ones are called Love Angel. The box kind of smells of rose, so I'm gonna assume that they are rose scented, which is perfectly fine by me. I actually have loads and loads and loads of incense sticks because I never burn them, so I have packs and packs of them, but these ones are very pretty, so that's cute. And then finally we have our little scroll for the month, so let's see what this says. I've gotten really good at opening these and not ripping them now, just so you know, because I always used to rip them. Okay, so this one says self-love in magic. Now I'm not going to read this out because it's really long, but I will hold it up in case anyone wants to pause the video and read what it says. So we've got charm bags, positive vibe jars, affirmations, herbal teas, crystals and their properties, plants and their properties, and candles and their magic uses. So this is the top part, middle part, and the end part. That is our little scroll. And yeah, that was everything that was in this month's February Witch Casket. Like I said, really liked this box. Loved the cute pink, like girly Mean Girls kind of theme that they had. Definitely one of my favourites that they've done in a while. So I'm going to quickly go over everything again like I usually do. So there was the self-love bath ritual, the little crystal print, the rose tea, the little crystal display, the pendulum cloth, and the little rose quartz pendulum, our little rock, which rhodonite, something like that, the affirmation self-love deck, the pin with self-love club wrote on it, the incense sticks, the two pink tapered candles, and the scroll. So all of these things in this month's box for £27 to the UK. Yeah, I really like this box, so let me know what you thought of it down below, if you got it, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. I know this won't be everybody's kind of theme, especially not if you're a very gothic kind of person. A lot of people don't like the whole girly thing, but yeah, it was a Valentine's theme, so I guess everybody knew it was going to be pink or red or some kind of love vibes. So I will leave the info for them down below in case anyone wants to go and check them out. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.